Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys iPhone setting, and today we'll try to guys how to use Wi-Fi setting in iPhone device. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi setting, friends you want to connect any Wi-Fi network. So then how to connect Wi-Fi network in iPhone, today friends we are going to talk about in this video guys. So friends, if you're in my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will on phone setting. So we will click on phone setting. So friends, you can see guys this phone setting, iPhone setting. Friends, you can see first is aeroplane mode guys you want to use. So guys you can on, and once you want to off, so you can off your aeroplane mode setting from here. Then guys you can see your Wi-Fi setting is here. So guys Wi-Fi setting is off, so guys we will on Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting we will refresh. After refresh friends, you can see guys this other network. Friends, you want to add a network and you want to connect, so guys you can add and you can join from here guys. So friends, you can see I have got this network, so I will select, I will enter guys this password. Friends, you can see join option guys, click to join. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect in in iPhone. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network has connected. So friends, we can use this Wi-Fi network setting by operating any app like YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, like that app guys. You can use it. And once you can see the right side icon guys about this Wi-Fi guys, click here. So once you can see auto join, you want to off, so you can on and off. Friends, you want to check password, friends you can check password from here. Friends, you can see low data mode, you want to on, so you can on and off from here. And means you don't want to use guys any network in your iPhone guys, right side guys, click here. Friends, you can see forget this network guys, click here to forget. After forget guys, we cannot use the Wi-Fi network guys. If you use again guys, you will have to enter password again to join it. So like that guys, we can use this Wi-Fi setting in iPhone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use Wi-Fi setting in iPhone device. So bye guys. Friends, do even doubt guys, rated to guys your Wi-Fi setting in your iPhone device, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.